Penske Truck Rental features, strengths, weaknesses. Penske Truck Rental provides a range of commercial vehicles primarily aimed at businesses requiring transportation solutions, from small startups to large corporations. Key features include a diverse fleet encompassing box trucks, cargo vans, flatbeds, and tractor-trailers, all maintained to meet stringent safety standards. They offer flexible rental terms, including daily, weekly, and long-term leasing options, catering to various project durations. Penske distinguishes itself through comprehensive 24/7 roadside assistance, alleviating concerns about breakdowns and ensuring minimal disruption. They also provide customized solutions, such as vehicle customization, maintenance plans, and fuel management programs, addressing specific business needs. The target audience includes businesses involved in logistics, construction, retail, and event management, any operation needing reliable freight transportation. Strengths lie in their well-maintained fleet, reducing the likelihood of mechanical issues. Their extensive network of locations across North America provides convenient access and support. The transparent pricing structure, inclusive of mileage allowances and insurance options, simplifies budgeting. Moreover, Penske's commitment to safety, demonstrated through rigorous vehicle inspections and driver training programs, enhances risk management. However, weaknesses exist. Penske's pricing can be higher than some competitors, particularly for short-term rentals, potentially impacting cost-sensitive businesses. Availability can be limited during peak seasons or in certain geographic areas, necessitating advance booking. While their maintenance is generally excellent, occasional delays in repair services can occur, leading to temporary disruptions. Furthermore, the complexity of their long-term lease agreements may require careful review to avoid unexpected charges. Finally, customer service experiences can vary across different locations, with some users reporting inconsistencies in responsiveness. In conclusion, Penske Truck Rental offers a robust solution for businesses prioritizing reliability, comprehensive support, and safety, accepting a potentially higher price point. The well-maintained fleet and 24/7 assistance are invaluable assets for minimizing downtime and ensuring operational efficiency. However, potential renters should carefully compare pricing, confirm availability, and thoroughly review contract terms before committing. Businesses seeking solely the cheapest option may find alternatives more appealing, but those valuing comprehensive service and fleet quality will likely find Penske a worthwhile investment.